Hey there, Jason Hubbard with eXp Realty. Today we're out in Ellsworth Ranch in Queen Creek, Arizona. We're in the Voyage collection and we're looking at the Breckenridge floor plan, which is 3,077 square feet. This is a one-story home with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it has a 3-car tandem garage. Currently, this floor plan has a base price of $681,990. As I say on all my videos, keep in mind, today is November 14th, 2023. So this number obviously changes as the builders raise or lower prices depending on what the market's doing. Let's go ahead, go inside, take a look at the Breckenridge floor plan, see if we can't find you that house that you're looking for. Okay, always keep in mind that as we walk through the model homes that obviously they are highly upgraded and they don't come this way. The base price, the base floor plan will definitely be less upgraded, but these can give you some ideas as to what you can do to the property. So as you walk into the front door to the left here, you have a den. It's a pretty large den area. Next, we walk into a massive kitchen area with a very large kitchen island. Of course, this one has the cascading waterfall, quartz countertops, and the double oven white shaker maple cabinets. And 3 cool pendant lights up above. Right off the kitchen here, you're gonna have a large living/family room. And the model here has some built-ins. I will note that here in the Voyage collection, the lots are 9,100 square feet, which is exactly what we're looking at here. So this will give you a good idea of lot size. 9,100 square feet being slightly larger than your typical lot. Throughout the valley here. Most of them are going to be 7,000 to 8,000. This is the mid-level collection, so that's part of the reason that you're seeing a little bit bigger of a lot. So this here is the main bedroom. Okay, nice sized bedroom right off the back of the house with a wonderful master closet. All the ceilings here look to be 9 feet tall. One of the benefits of buying a new construction home is nowadays, most of them are starting at 9-foot ceilings, which is wonderful. You don't have that closed-in feeling that you have in older homes that have 8-foot ceilings. Beautiful master bathroom, dual sinks, lots of cabinet space, separate tub, separate shower. And a linen closet here. And these floor plans also come with larger doors. So as we come back around towards the kitchen again, we're going to come off here where they have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 here is a nice sized room with its own walk-in closet. Some cabinet space out here for the kids. And bedroom number 3, almost identical to bedroom number 2, just flip-flopped over. And the shared bathroom for bedrooms 2 and 3, as well as guests. So coming back through the kitchen here, you see your gas range, your range hood, a little butler pantry area over here with a decent size food storage. And as we come off the kitchen here, This is the laundry room. Massive, huge laundry room that goes out to the garage. This laundry room can be used for so many different activities here. You got a second refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. You got your washer and dryer. And then the way that we have it set up here in the model is you have a workstation here for the kiddos. But you could do so many different things. This could be a wonderful craft room. Okay, as we come back down towards the front entry here, you got 2 more bedrooms. So bedroom 4 and bedroom 5. Also very large bedrooms. This one does not have a walk-in closet, but I think that might make the room a little bit bigger. And guest bathroom. This is bathroom number 3 and bedroom number 5. Bedroom number 5 does have a walk-in closet. So we have 4 out of 5 walk-in closets. Okay, as we finish up here at the Breckenridge floor plan, again, just want to note this floor plan is 3,077 square feet. The base floor plan comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. As we saw here today, the model has 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. And it comes with a 3-car tandem garage. Currently base price $681,990. They do have some specs here and some incentive programs. So make sure you comment down below or reach out to me at this phone number down below, 480-588-2281. I'm happy to help you figure out what today's current incentives are. They change all the time, so there's no point in me listing them on here as they change frequently. So if you reach out to me, also remember, do not go out. You do not want to go out to the new construction without representation. Once you go there without representation, many times the builders will not let you to have representation. After that point, the salespeople are super nice and super helpful. So you can do it without an agent. However, you will not be represented. You just have to remember that the people at the sales office, they work for the builder. They represent the builder. So they're there for their best interest. They're not there for your best interest. They're there to sell you a home. If you have an agent with you, you're going to get the best prices. You're going to have some negotiation power. You're going to have representation through the contract, through the inspection periods and all that stuff. Anyways, thank you for joining me on my video today. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will see you on the next video.